In this video, I show you how to fix 111 VPN. Your device is not authenticated with an organization. Contact your administration problem. For fixing this problem, go to your phone settings, then go to apps or application management, then click on see all apps. Now click on 111 VPN. Now click on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now click on permission notification, then allow all notification. Now open 111 VPN. Next, accept. Now connect. Now I hope that this method fix 111 VPN. Your device is not authenticate problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.